What's up guys, we're going to do an install here on the SPE shift on the fly with the bracket. I'm going to show you how to do that and get the plug in and get it tuned. You're going to need an 8mm here to take the bracket off down here. Go ahead and unplug my Easy Link. Drop that down. And I already got this hooked up and everything, but you put the sticker on, put the crush washer, tighten it down with the Allen head. Alright, so once you get this bracket back on there, put the nuts back on there. Get these back tightened. Alright, so once you get it back tightened, go and get this Easy Link plugged back in. And on the 1719 Fords, there's a grommet back there. Shoved a piece of wire through there. I'm going to pull through there, pull your two wires back through there. Just going to put some tape on it here and just... I did go ahead and just cut a hole in that grommet to make it a little easier to get through there. Once you get hooked up, try to shove it through that grommet. Let's go from the other side here, see if we can get it. That's where it comes up at. It's coming through this time. Yep, there it is. Pull it out. Make sure it doesn't get caught on anything here. Alright, it's tight there. Make sure everything's good in here. Yep. And it comes with a plug here. Top right. Middle one, stay open. Alright, when you get your wire pulled and everything, orange one goes on the right, and this, I don't know, brown, whatever you want to call it, goes in the center. And those just shove right in there, just like that. Wire got kind of messed up pulling it through there. Alright. Once you get your plug all wired up and everything here, just like that, come over here to this fuel pressure sensor here. You pull this tab. I'll try to show you. Pull it up. No, don't break it like I did. Then you pinch it down. Alright, so once you unplug it just like that, this sensor here, take your shift on the fly. They just plug into each other like so. My tab fell off, but other than that, so that goes like so. So we'll clean all this up here. Just a second, we're gonna go ahead and tune the truck. Alright, once you get everything hooked up and everything, you want to tune the truck. So I run AMDP tunes, and I got compounds, Stock Valley. So you need to download it. Go ahead and hit install, proceed, confirm. Go ahead and get in here. Alright, put in off position. Turn the ignition on. Continue. Just like that. Come back when it's done. And then the kit does come with some wire loom here. I'm going to go ahead and clean this up a little bit here. Zip tie it. It doesn't have to be perfect, but Just try to get it looking halfway decent here. Looks like it's about done here. Let's see what it says here. Alright, truck's powering back on. Place in all position. Okay. Back to start, just accessory. Alright, there we go. You can see I got it tucked back in here. I don't know if I'm going to keep it that way or not. But that's kind of the idea how I did it. I got all this extra stuff on here. But yeah, I think we're ready to take the truck around the block and see how it runs.